Looking to elevate your bedroom's aesthetic while adding a modern touch? PVC wall panels are an innovative and stylish way to transform your space with minimal effort. Let's explore how these versatile panels can enhance the design of any bedroom, offering both beauty and practicality. PVC wall panels have become a popular choice for interior designers and homeowners alike due to their versatility, durability, and cost-effectiveness. When it comes to bedrooms, they offer an array of design possibilities that can suit any personal style from sleek and modern to cozy and traditional. One of the standout benefits of PVC panels is their ability to mimic other materials, such as wood, marble, or stone, giving your bedroom a luxurious feel without the high price tag or maintenance concerns. For a minimalist or contemporary look, consider opting for smooth, matte finish PVC panels in neutral tones like whites, grays, or soft beiges. These colors not only create a clean and calming atmosphere in the bedroom, but also help to visually expand the space, making the room feel larger and more open. Textured panels can add depth and interest, especially when used as an accent wall behind the bed. For instance, a geometric or wave-patterned PVC panel can serve as a striking focal point, adding a touch of sophistication to the room's overall design. On the other hand, if you're aiming for a more rustic or natural aesthetic, PVC panels that replicate wood grain textures are an excellent option. Available in a wide range of colors and finishes, from light oak to dark walnut, these panels can bring warmth and character to your bedroom. Pair them with earthy tones in your bedding and decor for a cohesive and inviting space. Since PVC panels are resistant to moisture, they are particularly suitable for bedrooms located in humid environments or homes where maintaining traditional wood can be a challenge. In addition to their design flexibility, PVC wall panels are incredibly easy to install, making them a great DIY project for homeowners looking to refresh their bedrooms without professional help. They are also low maintenance, requiring only occasional cleaning to keep them looking pristine. Unlike traditional paint or wallpaper, PVC panels are highly durable and resistant to wear, scratches, and stains, ensuring that your bedroom walls stay beautiful for years to come. Whether you want to make a bold statement with a feature wall or create a serene, understated environment, PVC wall panels offer endless design possibilities. They combine aesthetics with functionality, providing a stylish and durable solution for bedroom interiors. So if you're considering a bedroom makeover, PVC wall panels might just be the perfect choice to add that modern edge and long-lasting appeal you're looking for.